Token Simon's Cat is emerging as a leading meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain. Despite the current meme coin market not being very promising, Simon's Cat's growth is attracting significant community interest. And today we'll delve into analyzing the reasons behind this token's price increase, exploring who is buying and selling, as well as examining important on-chain metrics that many might overlook. This is the second time I'm discussing Simon's Cat on this channel. The video I posted about Simon's Cat 3 days ago is still gaining views daily. A feat that no other meme coin videos we've covered before have achieved this quickly. The chart shows that the video about Simon's Cat is represented in blue, much higher than the gray average for other videos on the channel. The impressive performance of that video has specific reasons. Initially, the token saw growth of nearly 90%, followed by a decrease, and currently remains at a 52% increase compared to the time the video was published. This is exactly the goal of this channel: to share information about tokens with development potential that could generate profit for early investors. If you want to quickly catch up on the next growth phases, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with in-depth analyses. Now, let's dive into the factors driving Simon's Cat's price fluctuations. We'll be conducting a more detailed analysis of over 230,000 wallets holding this token, as not all of them have the same impact on the price. Starting with the chart on the left, we have data on the number of wallets holding at least 30 million Simon's Cat tokens, roughly equivalent to $1.112 at the current price. This group mainly consists of retail investors, who still have the potential to influence the token's price fluctuations. However, out of over 232,000 token holders, only 3.717 wallets hold this amount, meaning that more than 98% of wallets have less than $1 worth of tokens. In the middle chart, the minimum holding amount is 10 times higher, approximately $111, while the right chart shows an even higher amount of about $110. We observed two major accumulation phases, with the second phase showing a significant increase in small retail investors, with a 50% increase in the number of wallets. Meanwhile, the number of whales only increased by about 10%. This second accumulation phase ended on September 11th. And interestingly, despite the rise in the number of small wallets, the price didn't reflect this clearly. This suggests that while many new wallets appeared, the price didn't spike. Instead, it remained stable or fluctuated, rather than skyrocketing. This phenomenon could be related to profit-taking by some holders. This is a noteworthy point, indicating that the relationship between wallet numbers and price may not be as straightforward as we think. Now let's zoom into our analysis to examine only the price fluctuations over the past month. During this period, the price has decreased by 11% in total, though there was a recent short-term rise. The data indicates no significant increase in the number of small, medium, or whale retail investors. Instead, the main trend has been profit-taking. The price chart also suggests a fairly clear trend. In the first 2 weeks of the month, the price dropped by nearly 50%, but the number of holding wallets didn't change much. Could this short-term increase be due to new investors joining? Or is it just current investors returning and buying more? This is where on-chain data becomes helpful. We can find the answer to this question. The chart on the left shows the number of returning users, in orange, and new users, in purple. On October 21st, a significant number of returning users traded this token, while the number of new users didn't increase significantly. I personally believe that an increase in new users would be better for the token's long-term growth, as this would help the price increase more sustainably. Currently, it seems that the growth in the number of users is not very strong. And this price rise is not due to new entrants but rather from existing investors buying more, suggesting a high likelihood they might sell once they reach their target price. The right chart provides similar data but as a percentage, allowing us to clearly see the ratio of new and returning users. Additionally, we can gain further insights into the price impact by analyzing individual wallets. For example, could it be that influencers are manipulating the price? We are tracking over 400 influencer wallets to get a clearer picture. There are some interesting cases, such as influencer Poke, who received 1.5 million cat tokens, and James RN, who received 3 million tokens. followed by another 17 million in May. However, receiving tokens doesn't mean buying tokens. The development team could simply be sending tokens to influencers to promote them. Examples from influencer Tyler Hill and the 2 wallets we track from James Wynn reveal intriguing trends. Another influencer, KY Cheese, bought NDX at $0.023, and this token has now reached $0.247, rising another 5% in just the past hour. This is precisely the allure of the cryptocurrency world, the chance to enter a token early alongside smart money, rather than waiting until it's widely promoted. If you're interested in getting updates about these low-value tokens, consider joining the premium service with a 7-day money-back guarantee if not satisfied. There are also many tutorials on wallet setup, bots, and how to track influencer wallets. We also have specialized chat channels for each altcoin, where members can discuss when to buy or sell. To summarize, with the Simon's Cat token, I believe that current price discovery is not entirely organic. The number of new users is not increasing significantly, and the price increase is mainly driven by whales and returning users. For sustainable growth, the token will need to attract more new investors.